Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electronic drum sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even an advanced drummer, we've got something for everyone in this list. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Mosin Electric Drum Set MED-X3, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Designed with beginner drummers in mind, this kit features 4 quiet mesh drum pads and 3 cymbals, all of which are mounted on a sturdy metal frame. The drum module offers 195 plus sounds, 25 drum kits, and even 10 demo songs to help you get started. It's lightweight, foldable, and portable, making it perfect for practice on the go. In terms of design, the Mosin MED-X3 is built with alloy steel and a compact footprint, making it ideal for small spaces. The mesh pads provide a decent response for their price range, and the overall build quality is solid for beginners. Performance-wise, the kit offers adjustable sensitivity and tempo control, allowing you to personalize your practice sessions. The USB MIDI integration is a welcome feature, letting you connect to your favorite DAWs for recording and practice. However, the overall sound quality, while good, lacks the richness and depth of higher-end models. If you're a beginner or someone looking for a basic, affordable entry into electronic drumming, the Mosin MED-X3 is a fantastic choice. While it doesn't offer premium features like independent hi-hats or dual-zone pads, it delivers great value for its price. Pros include portability, affordability, and a variety of sounds, but the cons are its limited customization options and basic sound module. At number 4, we have the Hampback MK0 Electric Drum Set, a great starter kit for beginners and kids. This kit features 7-inch quiet mesh drum pads and 8-inch rubber cymbals, which provide a decent tactile response for learning drummers. With 12 preloaded kits, 68 authentic sounds, and 10 demo songs, it allows you to explore a variety of musical styles. Plus, it comes with a drum throne, sticks, and headphones, making it a complete package right out of the box. The design of the Hampback MK0 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. It's even compatible with a power bank, so you can take it outdoors for impromptu jam sessions. The mesh drum pads offer a quieter practice experience, while the rubber cymbals provide a solid strike zone. However, the sound library, while decent, is somewhat limited compared to higher-end models. The USB MIDI output is a nice touch, allowing you to connect to a computer for recording or virtual drum software. This drum set is perfect for beginners or younger drummers who need a simple and affordable setup. It's reliable and portable, but advanced drummers may find the lack of advanced features limiting. Pros include its portability, beginner-friendly design, and value for money. Cons are its small pad size and basic sound module. Coming in at number 3 is the AODSK AED400 Electric Drum Set, a versatile option for beginners of all ages. This kit features 4 quiet silicone drum pads, 3 cymbals, and 2 pedals, all mounted on a sturdy, foldable metal rack. With 150 sounds and 15 drum kits, it offers a variety of customization options. It also includes a drum throne, sticks, and headphones, making it an all-in-one solution for new drummers. The design of the AED400 is highly portable, with a lightweight build that's easy to fold and store. The silicone drum pads are durable and provide a decent response, while the cymbals are responsive enough for beginners. The built-in metronome and multiple practice modes make this kit a great learning tool. One standout feature is its USB MIDI compatibility, which allows you to connect to music production software for recording or creating your own beats. The AODSK AED400 is ideal for beginners who want a reliable and feature-rich drum set for under $200. While it doesn't have the advanced features of higher-end models, it offers an excellent balance of quality and affordability. Pros include its portability, variety of sounds, and beginner-friendly features. Cons include its smaller pad size and limited customization options for advanced players. At number 2, we have the Alesis Nitro Max Kit, a premium 8-piece electronic drum set designed for intermediate and advanced drummers. This kit features ultra-quiet mesh pads, including a 10-inch dual-zone snare and 3 8-inch toms. The standout feature is its robust drum module, which comes loaded with 440-plus authentic sounds, 32 preloaded kits, and 16 user slots. It even includes Bluetooth connectivity and a 90-day Drumeo subscription for interactive lessons. The Alesis Nitro Max is built with a foldable 4-post rack, making it sturdy yet easy to store. The mesh heads deliver a realistic rebound and feel, while the dual-zone snare allows for rimshot versatility. The sound quality is impressive, with multi-velocity samples that replicate acoustic drum dynamics. Additionally, the USB MIDI output makes it easy to connect to DAWs or unlock additional sounds via the BFD player. This kit is perfect for drummers who want a high-quality practice and recording setup. While it's on the pricier side, its features justify the investment. Pros include its high-quality mesh pads, extensive sound library, and Bluetooth connectivity. The only downside is its slightly higher price tag, but it's worth every penny for the performance it offers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Fesley FED 1000 electric drum set, the most feature-packed kit on our list. This full-size drum set includes 4 mesh drum pads, 3 cymbals with choke functionality, and an independent hi-hat and kick drum for a realistic playing experience. With 225 sounds, 30 preloaded kits, and the ability to create your own custom kits, it's highly versatile. It also includes a drum throne, sticks, and headphones, making it a complete package. The Fesley FED 1000 stands out for its advanced design and attention to detail. The independent hi-hat system replicates the feel of an acoustic hi-hat, while the mesh pads offer excellent sensitivity. The drum rack is sturdy and foldable, making it suitable for both home use and gigs. Performance-wise, the sound quality is rich and dynamic, thanks to real drum samples and advanced sensor technology. The USB MIDI output is perfect for recording and integrating with DAWs, making it a favorite for both practice and production. This drum set is ideal for intermediate to advanced drummers who want a professional-grade experience without breaking the bank. Pros include its realistic hi-hat, customizable sound options, and premium build quality. The only downside is its higher weight, which makes it less portable. Overall, the Fesley FED 1000 offers unparalleled value and performance, earning its spot as our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.